Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about how safe your money is with SoFi. SoFi, which stands for Social Finance, is a legitimate, nationally chartered bank. This is an important distinction because it means it's held to the same strict regulatory standards as traditional banks. SoFi is regulated by the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. The most important layer of protection for your money is FDIC insurance. SoFi is an FDIC-insured bank. This means that your deposits, including your checking and savings accounts, are insured for up to $250,000 per depositor for each account ownership category. This is the standard insurance amount at every FDIC-insured bank in the United States. For those with larger balances, SoFi also offers the SoFi Insured Deposit Program, which can provide up to $2 million in FDIC insurance by spreading your funds across a network of their partner banks. This is a unique feature that offers an extra layer of protection for high-balance customers. Beyond deposit insurance, SoFi uses advanced security measures to protect your account. These include things like two-factor authentication to verify your identity, 24/7 fraud monitoring, and secure data encryption. You can also set up real-time alerts to track your account activity. It's also important to remember that this protection applies to your deposits. Money held in a SoFi checking or savings account is FDIC insured. However, money you have in a SoFi Invest brokerage account is subject to market fluctuations and is not FDIC insured. Instead, investment accounts are typically protected by SIPC insurance, which is a different type of coverage. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.